let's face it, a toilet, right? Technology, a toilet's just a toilet, but that's not always the case. Sometimes we can think of things like a nice warm seat, bringing us back to our safe place, starting our morning ritual, and toilets can be very important too. And here it is. This is the T38P Smart Bidet Toilet by HOROW. It is a sleek, modern toilet bidet combo that actually comes with a remote, and we are going to have it installed in my home, and I want to show you it. And I will say that I've read quite a bit of reviews on it. It has very, very positive ratings, and it's extremely easy to install. So we're gonna give it a try, and then we'll go into my bathroom and I'll show you what it looks like. So here you go. Look how gorgeous this is. It just looks perfect in my bathroom. I love the sleek, minimalistic design. It's perfect for a contemporary bathroom, and there was no professional setup needed, which is a big thumbs up in my book, and there's no complicated accessories or attachments. So it's very, very beautiful, and it really goes with the decor in my bathroom. By the way, I spend quite a bit of time in my bathroom. As you can see, I have a soaking tub, and I'm a big believer in rituals. So this is fitting in just perfectly. But before we look at the key features, let me just say where I feel HOROW really got it right. This is designed to make your daily routine feel like a small act of self-care. They think about everything when it comes to comfort and hygiene.